Jesus, you're my everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Everybody say, ah.
How can I express my gratitude
for all the many things,
you've done for me?
Words are not enough,
Enough to say thank you.
So Lord, you are my everything.
You're my everything.
How can I express my gratitude?
How can I express my gratitude
for all the many things,
you've
Father,
done
you
for
done
me?
for me, yeah.
Words are not enough to say thank you.
So Lord, you are,
You're my everything.
See, I call you Jireh.
You're my provider.
I call you me.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specializing in a range of legal services, including family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary and family law. At BWF, our solicitors are pleased to offer high-quality legal representation at competitive rates. Our senior partner, Bernard Owusu, has over 29 years' experience as a lawyer in the UK. BWF solicitors provide independent and practical legal assistance for all kinds of family matters, such as childcare, contested and uncontested divorce, and injunctions for domestic violence. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you in this difficult time, which is why we offer confidential advice delivered in a sensitive manner. Our senior partner is an accredited member of the Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel, which guarantees expert representation in all family and matrimonial cases. We are located at 4th floor Anna House, 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road, London, N15 4NP. Just a short walk from Seven Sisters Underground.
I don't look like what I have been through. You've turned my pit into a well. So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Adum, Wadum. I've been through a lot, but grace sustained me. My test is now a testimony. So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Adum, Wadum. It was you, my lawyer in that courtroom. It was you, my soldier on that battlefield. So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Adum, Wadum. Hey, Adumo, Nyame, Adumo, Adum, Adum intina metiasi, Eya Wadum tina mewoho. Lord, the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Adum, Wadum. Hey, Adumo, Nyame, Adumo, Wadum. Eya Adum intina metiasi, Eya Wadum tina mewoho. Lord, the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Adum, Wadum. Who has changed my story? Who has given me a song? Turn my mourning into dancing. It is you and just your grace. You You have changed my story. Protocol breaker, you made a way. You turned my mourning into dancing. It is you and just your grace. Could not have made it without you. Hey. Could not have sailed through without you. Your loving kindness, grace and mercy brought me through. So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Could not have made it without you. Hey, could not have sailed through without you. Papa, your loving kindness and grace and mercies brought me through. So the essence of my praise is all centered on you.
Hey, Adumbi Keke and Yenya Yede Abeshie. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever it is that you have tuned in from. Memachi Emakwaba Medawasi se wode wafidi no atoha nwanya daji se obehwe the community and the law. Yefemo reku frimpon me no bi dijmedi no hwemi no eda ye nemi na ye ba behwe enkomo a efa yen asetan titu ewo UK ha ene senya emra no esi etie. Ene nso so me BWF Solicitors and edijmedi ebrewo na ye live ewo Facebook BWF Solicitors. And our face so Oreku also from Facebook page. And our face here live at YouTube BWF Solicitors. Ebi also so say Oba UK ha about radio ade ato radio so UK ha and nti mo mutie about radio no here live so the community and the law and ye dey Broadway na ene ye wono afafa bebre said ye no da no and nti say Oba na wa share page no like the page, click on the like button and pick up the share button as well and share. Na Obibiara World Network mo enyabi. Me can say on my WhatsApp network. Atum ama obia nyabi. Sounds so that at least we can have as many as about 400 to 500 shares by the end of the program. BWF Solicitors, 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road, so 7 Sisters, North London. Na Juma Woody and say Emremu and Command ne won shisha hudu nina or the atua betri so edi aye wontin Juma say obeboa ama wetimi enya emunti ase ana afin so applications ahodo awe nyina no atimi akoye titu eba no immigration matters are. BWF Solicitors, yebefre won wa Juma Monday to Friday. Every anopa 9:30. You could see enumere 6 o'clock. Telephone number no 0208 493 7340. BC number no 0208 493 7340. And now 077 127 61884. 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors. Was say in country was say eba emremu ene ehonshishe. They are our trusted partners. Now, what Kayin Bill says, say, baby, you drew no, you were at the end of May into year June 2021. Now, June 2021, a day and by the end of June 2021, I was set why you EUSS application. Now, would they a Gina or 9 say, or migrating from EU country be more about UK? Because they say UK and EU ho ebio na nhihye no etesei me nyasho se opese ebedru the 1st of July 2021 na afi waseta no akoye nwonwunan. And then I have a very important update to bring you, but before then yenti enkrai
wonim say EU nationals nyina ne won ebusuafo a wonye EU nationals nyina or say wo apply ma EUSS answer June busome akona wieye afi 2021 yimu se wanya ebe ha wonkrata sem a wode ti UK se wontu anamon we na wo apply EU settlement scheme and train last minute answer ehun hia yie pa se obebotumi a wode tena UK no ho ban na wo hia legal advice bi anso a pebi we koma EU ana EA amanfo nyina wo kra registration certificate ana permanent registration certificate ana ebusuafo a yama won resident cards ana permanent residence cards a ewo EEA registration 2016 no mu. Se wonya ye we nyina na se wo sefata apply pre-settled and settled status answer 30th June 2021. EU settlement scheme pre-settled status eba na wie ye ewo 30th June 2021. Na mum ehun me hia yie se obe apply no ntem na eduwe gine yie. Na hye no so se we koma omo wo UK answer 31st December 2020 a wo kura won krata esefata nyina edi won adanse. Se when be immigration mrei so na wunni adansedie bia eche mretenti a watena UK se ana EU nationals no nso a eno so betimi ahawodaache se wo apply wo British citizenship. BWF solicitors ewo nimdie fa UK immigration law na omo aboa ebusuafo bebree wo applications a efa home offices EU settlement schemes no ho. Wonti bebree asia for BWF solicitors in Tempara ewo 020 849 37340 ana 077 127 61884.
I just want to welcome you once again to this edition of The Community and the Law, brought to you by BWF Solicitors, situated at 214-218 Tottenham High Road, North London, on top of the Victoria Line train station at Seven Sisters. Call them on 0208 493 7340. The number again 0208 493 7340, or the 24-hour line 077 127 61884, 077 127 61884. Now, when it comes to BWF solicitors, we say that they are our trusted partners when it comes to the law. BWF solicitors, and share my free legal advice every Thursday at Rainbow Radio So. From 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. And I think so every Friday on GN Radio from 9:30 in the morning till 6 p.m. Now for every Saturday, we have this program hanging out with BWF solicitors, and this morning it happened at 12 noon with lawyer Eunice Champon, and she hung out with Vicky Newton on Heritage TV, and that comes up every Saturday. So make a date and don't be late. You probably may have missed the one we had earlier on, but next week Saturday, make a date. Now we are 4 o'clock. The community and the law at the abesoso at the amount. The community and the law is around between 4 and 6 p.m. UK time. We hear one of the updates I'm giving you. If you also saw say from the 1st of August 2021, EU, other EEA and Swiss nationals and their family members who were not present in the UK by December 2020 and not covered by the withdrawal agreement will no longer be eligible for home fee status, undergraduate and postgraduate financial support, and advanced learner loans from Student Finance England for courses starting in the 2021-2022 academic year or after. However, EU, EEA or Swiss nationals who are migrant workers do not need to have lived in the UK for 5 or more years to be eligible for full funding. But you must have been resident in England on the 1st of September of the final year of your course. If you started living in England after this date, you cannot qualify for funding. We here update the organization we're dealing with, that is BWF solicitors, helped us to put out earlier in the week. We call it the legal nugget. It comes out every Monday before 12 noon. And we are Medebre Wono. It's from the education, that is students' fees, awards and support amendment regulation 2021. We one of the updates and the next one and Ghana is now categorized under the amber categorization when it comes to COVID-19. And the answer na ubeba UK hano, you need to have taken a COVID test. You book and pay for day 2 and day 8 COVID-19 travel tests. Then you need to complete a passenger locator form. Now, now Drew UK on arrival in England. You need to quarantine at home or in the place you are living or staying for 10 days. Now, when you're doing that, you take a COVID-19 test on or before day 2 and on or after day 8. You know, so there's a there's a difference there. You take the COVID-19 test on or before day 2 and then on or after day 8. And so what to now free Ghana or any other country and you enter the UK, you would have taken the COVID test. You are booked and paid for day 2 and day 8 COVID-19 travel tests. Then you would have completed a passenger locator form. Then when you arrive, you have to quarantine at home or in the place you are staying for 10 days. Now, enomono, obey COVID-19 test on or before day 2 and on or after day 8. But also, what say UTM year na echicho mo between afre BWF solicitors 0208 493 7340 and that's 077 127 81 127 61884. So 077 127 61884. Over HMA for that small a bit there. Enti Sabri me ba na fe mene opinion ne mene be digimeno at the medane di at the show na he is a lawyer, a solicitor, so to speak, at maybe some difference. No, sometimes we get it all confused. Our BWF solicitors, I say, yeah, na there be our babetna ejumedi so I say or you teacher nepa because he methodically takes his time to explain matters to us. Now today he's going to do the very important update I was talking about before we go into the topic ankasa ayeba eka ho asem. Our topic this afternoon is a question. And that question is something you and I really have been talking about for a while. I have a child. I've lived in the UK with a child for 7 years. Do we both qualify for permanent residence in the UK? Can we do an application to remain in the UK after 7 years of residence? That's the question. I have lawyer Francis Owusu Bosompem, my teacher, as I say, anytime he comes on. Uncle Francis, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Na po to say.
Nyame adom.
Yeah, that's CP so say ene waja files no, that heap of files. Na fe waba na fe yeba be di nkomo. But I do to say.
So far so good. I'm on for cases never, but sena ya shebo. Say bebo community no. Yeah, community me de inchia kesi free BWF as your Hebrew.
Yeah. Well, yeah, and me my boy chief nyina mania na mamin kai mo say we are live at your Facebook page and now say YouTube page and also BWF solicitors. You can register your name on the comment section. I've seen Kwame Atejima or say or Sheying from Harlow. So and mehu and Nanajimai class prefect Ezekiel Johnson standing by live. Starless Fojo from Belgium. Tilly Duma was so Nanajima say happy Sabbath to from Bekwai, the family. B or Dobby Kasa was so Reverend Bismarck Jenfi Edas say wabe joining and it do minya ente mon Kenya momodia na afi mon share page no emfa emai. Na me call yellow Francis Hobio na makubisa sa question we are and me de eba abatokwe na eye bibia apeja ne ho nti me pese obuame na utre yimu ai Lawyer Francis. The tia ene say say obi ewo EU krata ne busiani ani ade ne amano family permit na bia ode ababetena krom ha na so de room sa family permit no ne suban ɛte sɛn saa 30th of June deadline bi na yɛwɔ no saa family permit no ne nyina so ɛbɛyɛ sɛn after 30th of June.
Yo, medasi bio na mesade nchia kɛseɛ ɛma yɛ TF baby a wo hwɛ yɛn both the TV so any radio so ni baby no yɛde nchia kɛseɛ ɛma mo sɛ ma join the community and the law. Yo, yɛmbra o family permit question ya wato ama me. The tie ne sɛ so far stage a yɛdru mu no about Brexit in a year grace period.
Okay.
Inti ye grace period na memfa yenko ye chikakra. Sene be ya obi wa that's it. Inti ye hwe sena EU insensem eba ya ye free EU mu ye ko implementation as say ye do grace period na by 30th of June 2021 bibia beba na wie ye no. The tie ne say na wo ye EU ni wo krom ha na wo abusua wo overseas mika overseas ebetimi aye Ghana ebetimi aye other countries ni bi as long as omu ni UK ha na pese okofa ne ba abusua na America it doesn't mean say oyere oba ne onana ana say o grandparents ne nasifo no sa nkrofo we EU Emrana mayati asiye se ya ye wo grace period no ye betumi akọ maba but the tie ne say before 31st of December 2020 no extended family there no from 1st of January no eso etwai nti na wuntimi nkofa extended family emma se obema na fa ye de ne beba UK ha no mo na one waba betina ha akoso abobra. Inti from 1st of January 2021 econo the tie say EU family permit no the obetumi aye akofo maba ene say oba oyere ena o grandparents the only people are omonka ho no ene extended family. In this case no eba ye no emma still no near use regulation 2016 no up to now inti Regulation 2016 no ama ya nya nti ase se ukofo bi every abonti aba e wo se we use ye family permit no.
Okay.
Inti hono ena sese ya no ye woma grace period no ye use ye family permit because insunsu ye wom between the ye family permit no ena EUSS family permit.
Difference in any day.
Yo, difference in the home office ama ya nya nti ase ne say because say that's what regulation 2016 umuno say by 30th of June 2021 bibia so betwa no omoma ya enti asese so okofa wabusuani every outside aba e wo say wo yesa ye family permit no.
Okay.
But omam asa me ati aye enti asese from 1st of July 2021 ekono sa ye family permit no eswecha inti se opese okofa wabusua me boboye na fa wo yere oma ekwa onye ye family permit ni bio but obe EU SS family permit.
Okay. Mehu adie bi ewo ye na mepese mekan na waboa me ewo aban website
okay.
Okay. Or say important information, your EEA family permit application.
Yeah.
You have submitted an application for an EEA family permit. You should note that the EEA family permit is ending on 30th June 2021.
Yes.
Any EEA family permit, regardless of the date it is issued, will not be valid for travel to the UK after 30 June 2021.
Yes.
An EEA family permit can still be used as evidence of that family relationship for the period the permit is valid. For example, in an application to the EU settlement scheme or for an EU settlement scheme family permit. It is recommended that before you make any arrangements for travel, you check with your transport provider as to what documents they require you to have in order to travel with them. An EEA family permit cannot be used to travel to the UK after 30th June 2021. When you are seeking to come to the UK with or to join your family member after this date, you will need to apply for another document to enable you to do so. You may be able to apply for an EU settlement EU settlement scheme family permit. We
Papa, oh, say, Tembia, a banner can't EU asema. Yeah, na a month for say, Nana and Crofo, mobile Tembia, with the EU, a giant. You need the entire because I did way our cano, and who soon saw so no.
Are you serious?
From 1st of July, Aircono, and you be whom and who soon so. Because you may be say home office a boy cocoa, no moon, but tire.
It's your money, so
that's it. Inti I was say, yes, we are dying so. Inti advice I never my nuanum or more Satibian say, Miss Remoka. Say, situation the way I know my see kono. Ya share near and find your man to 2 years. A bet ye. Inti say, oh, that situation now, there be beating tea a walk near their dinner, ni tia wa and say a mount ye a family permit. Now would that so take Ghana and say, oh, the next 2-3 months, na person me 2 coin about UK. So why am me room before 30th of June 2021 now? Situation my catcher say, well, I cry person of fraud, or better my catcher say, Obesa no crano. And valid. After 1st of July, echo. Inti say, oh, Sati be anymore, any money ya be rem and sana 30th of June 2021.
Inti, mami shene say, me wo busuani bi ewo Ghana, my application na man, ya man family permit, so on fem rem.
Yeah.
Onyambai, bia na mahubo ansoi, into onyambai. Does it mean say, 30th of June no eba besen ko 1st of July no na still mahubo anonso ya permit na ekura no krata bi keke
Ayampa krata bi keke from the home office website na match no because I don't know how omo pese ye tisa nyoma we ase on pese ehu se emra na ye adwuma nti wo na okuta ye family permit no ada na ye de ama na dada wo da so te.
Okay.
I know say okay say mahumwa enso but una akwaji ade ne say opese oba abrochiri ohunso ya nka wonkoye and at the same time na we say we make sure say emra no na home office e de ye adwuma nti say wo sa atibia no mu a the best thing is say ticket na aba akope a freebie na ye ne bewrem because enye sa from 1st of July 2021 no oba utira anye yi a airline kra befa no we ka just say home office mra mo dia man ye hwa sa visa we de ma na wu ti wuntimi fa plane no na wo dia ba bewrem enye no nko a ebiom so ye dia ma na wo te ha na wo say wo ye EU settlement scheme ni bi na wo nye ya eno so wo insinsa so ena enye no nko a so wo appeal bi so koso ne na sefo a but appeal ni there it will determine on say appeal directions na ebeche say your refusal was added no why appeal ni na sefo into no directions no na wo be follow
na say okay ma min fa de mana of free Ghana eba okay oberemu a entempa no e wo say oye EUSS application no ansa na June na besen akọ.
Yo, the mama yanya into a CN say, depending on when omode visa ne ma.
Okay.
On my last update guidance on the brand no April, I think April 6, 2021 echo. And on my year aware say your ma ye family permit no April ha. Yeah, the ma within April I was say within 3 months no.
Na why
EU SS ni bi.
There's a one gina de baby.
That's it. When ya
o say no.
Sa no bese o me ya we. Into we April na April, May, June. Into 3 months no, they expect you say by June no.
No we rem wa be ye we USS.
No.
Omo de nifa de my nom de be kuma je.
That's it. Home office. So no.
Okay. Enti say I'm not trying to scare anybody, but I just want to be cautious with everything that we tell you. Young father say, Mawari to ho, said yeah, a baby ayeno. And no sano, does it come under this?
Yo, the Etienne say, Oka se wawari to her, ye dikan, ye lawyer, ye beshe, say, time ben a wawari no ye to.
Before 31st December 2020.
Fine. Before 31st December 2020. And a time ben episode yes our application in the UK. And these are the things. On mama anya intiasiese from 1st of January up to 30th of June. So we your application be ube use EU overseas ube use EU family permit. And a biomonsono say a chart from 1st of July 2021 ekona. Omo mayenya intiasie say you no more going to use EA family permit, but you should be a friend of EUSS family permit.
Okay.
Provided say we sponsor no okruma no why EU
SS application
anya decision which say either pre-settle or settle. Yeah.
Uncle Francis, briefly summarize this for me for the benefit of my viewers and our listeners who might not be too comfortable and conversant with the language. I read on the website of the Home Office and the government website, and it's saying that after the 30th of June, EU family permit may not be useful for travel. Let me put it in a simple man's language. How true is that and what's happening?
Okay, thank you very much for this post question. It is an update we should have let you guys know, and I think it's not too late as we always do in our community and the law. What the law talks about is at the moment we are in a stage in terms of the EU regulation 2026, something we call grace period. We've passed the implementation period and then we are in the grace period, which starts from 1st of January 2021 to 30th of June 2021. And just recently, being April, the Home Office updated their immigration rules and regulations and guidance regarding EU applications, which is from overseas. So as such, they let us know that just to remind us, not even the lawyers alone, but the public, the EU nationals, that if they still want to apply for their children, spouse, grandparents, with the exception of extended family, what they have to do is they have to use the EA family permit from the 1st of January 2021 to 30th of June 2021. In this situation, what they are trying to say is we're still using the EA family permit until 30th of June 2021. So as such, if you are in that dilemma or in that situation, you need to do the application before 30th of June 2021. And also, if you, the applicant, you've received a decision on that bit, you need to quickly come to UK before 30th of June 2021. So let's keep the dates in mind. And after 30th of June 2021, the EA family permit is no longer in existence, let alone you can apply or using the EA family permit. The replacement of EA family permit is EUSS family permit, provided your sponsor have than the EU settlement scheme in order to get either a pre-settled or settled status?
Well, thank you very much, Lawyer Francis, for that explanation. Abusia, enti se obi nte ya bomodia bono amane se opemu etie year. Bomodia se obefre BWF Solicitors ewo 214218 Tottenham High Road, no so 7 Sisters, North London. Obefre 1Y0208-493-7340 anase 020 077-127-61884 077-127-61884.
Wonim say EU nationals nyina ne won ebusuafo a wonye EU nationals nyina o se wo apply ma EUSS ansa June busome akona wieye afi 2021 mu se wanya ebe ha won kratasem a wode ti UK. Se wontu anamon we na wo apply EU settlement scheme and train last minute ansa. Ehun hia yie pa se obebotumi a wode tena UK no ho ban. Na wo hia legal advice bi anso a pebi. We koma EU ana EA amanfo nyina wo kra registration certificate ana permanent registration certificate ana ebusuafo a yama won residence cards ana permanent residence cards a ewo EA registration 2016 no mu. Se wonya ye we nyina na se wo sefata apply pre-settled and settled status answer 30th June 2021. EU settlement scheme pre-settled status eba na wieye ewo 30th June 2021. Na mum ehun me hia yie se obe apply no ntem na eduwe gine yie. Na hye so se we koma omo wo UK answer 31st December 2020 a wo kura won krata esefata nyina edi won adanse. Se wendi immigration mrei so na wonni adanse die bia eche mretenti a watena UK se ana EU nationals no nso a eno so betimi ahawodaache se wo apply wo British citizenship. BWF Solicitors ewo nimdie fa UK immigration law na omo aboa ebusuafo bebree wo applications a efa home offices EU settlement schemes no ho. Wonti bebree asia for BWF Solicitors in Tempara ewo 020-849-37340 ana 077-127-61884.
Well, Abusia, you go so edijumede no brew na ene yen topic a yede ba no question ye bisa ene se matna UK na mawo na mene meba yenya 7 years na sa kwala nya 7 years na ye tete ni nim ebi nso aka akire yen se akwala nya 7 years wotimi enya automatic asetena ewo UK ha na eno ena me bisa se eye no kre ana can parents and their children apply to remain in the UK after 7 years of residence? Now, I know the main topic, and me pese mene lawyer Francis also bosompim edi ho enkomo. Enti lawyer mami emra also na mesa me bisa bio se ye ka mami mpeke mo tell me long residence.
Okay.
If you was saying enema long residence, if we 7 years eko, titu efa me all for eneme ba.
Your long residence, they are all day abana. A bit depending on the sort of application I will make it.
Okay.
Because long residence in the moon, either lawful or unlawful.
Okay.
You can be a lawful, say Oba Hano or the Kwampa and the UK Hanomo. Say yam funny say Onhuka for Ababe Fowl every Ghana. Why necessary application every Ghana your application every are successful a buyer no your mouth bibi a friend 2.5 and I say your mouth 30 months say brabedi or UK on the basis we a partner to a person settled or British citizen and a person having a humanitarian protection ewo kroma into why application no aba join no te no se bibia edimo a yɛde woto biribi a yɛfrɛ no 5-year route as a partner. Nti wowɔ ha no watwa first 2.5, watwa another 2.5. Nti the next stage, third stage, and I will call for indefinite. Nti in this case, we are lawful residents. Yes. On the other hand, ABR, and also now what other leave be about leave to remain be a keka ama no so no e kwampa so as long as say home office ne de ma now to me count to say 5 years in here on be ma indefinite on the basis of partnership route e biomo so no e bia no so no oba working dey and I say this tier ni bi no say tiers bi wo ha ma opportunity under the base say the tiers ni obiom ye friend no point based system. Okay. My opportunity, my wo spend 5 years e wo krom ha ma e be ma indefinite.
Okay.
E be also a combination of student visa and other leave be to uti make kan nyina aboma na wo kire se me di 10 years e wo krom ha and also no a lawful resident e wo krom ha. Okay. So yembra the unlawful one no into unlawful one na ya a creative problem kakra. Say sebe what the visitors visa abakroma. What the buy no overstay and anyame adaroma wakoshia obi ana say EU ni or the ayen krata. Timoye nkrata no ocha 5 years. Oko. Ti omo no hono eya na EU the any sense no different from when it comes to the immigration issue. Okay. EU the any say fine. Unya 5 years now only EU ni no atna actually say 5 years in here. Say as a spouse, you bet to me amount be a friend of permanent resident under the regulation 2016. Okay. And now say EU settlement, no so be amount indefinite leave and I say settle status on the basis say only EU no matter 5 years. Yo and no because say oba ha one for kwan papa so no all the visitors now ewu ya ukoshia EU no. So dachi woka say okay me pese me koye nationality and I say adult nationality na me benya British passport and no na ye dey since so ba no okay nti no on betwe waso say
because one for company room and now what na abroso
nti no in some way no under the nationality no punishment will on the basis of maybe a friend no character reference and I say character requirement. Nti hono na de betwe waso no but yensan hwe a scenario wo no unya EU ni bia odo nwa tetete ode visitors visa no odo nwa tetete sa na 20 years fine aso ti 20 years ni so ye no ubisa say de be na metumi aye in this case no eno na unlawful no ebebe mu no we also buy no na oni nkrata and waiting me our system ni musa adu 20 years. In this case, home office amaye enya nti ase say and answer is part of omo immigration rules ni say utimi kire say matena ha 20 years unlawful bra ne be application bia under paragraph 276 ADE.
Okay. You the question now me bisa long residency say obi atena head 7 years e wapa.
Yes.
Say me fano akwada kra ya wo no foforo.
Yeah.
We did 7 years.
Yeah.
The informative ages no we twemu dodo na e wo UK ha.
Yeah.
Because akwala we did 7 years definitely we be school.
Yes.
Or namfofo a bi a ye be fano ni omo kotie bi a na yem kwala e wom so me ko sleep over.
Yes.
Kwala ni create me ko sleep over ne ade.
Yeah.
And when you nti ano ye ntimi classify and say a long residence akwala no ne maami atene mu long enough.
Yo, yansambra yemra no more a immigration rules no. And even apart from the immigration rules no kasa no, UK are incorporating maybe a friend of human rights. Into that Human Rights Act no, under Article 8 of the Human Rights no, you are entitled to your family life, and your private life. Into your immigration rules now. Normally, I me ye wenya me pese me assess it from the age and the residence. Nti me ka age na ena na woka no akola a watena 7 years. Ehun sunso so be ne be ma atimenya nkrata wo under the private life ana. Nti Home Office omo paragraphs no 278 no achiche ages ni mu.
Okay.
Ampesi e fa na maako.
Okay.
Yo. From say utimi chere say 0 to 18 years what na ha for the first 7 years. Akwan ja wo ho say we say we maybe making application be on the basis of your private life in order to get a leave to remain in UK.
Obi comment be ha to see how we interested or say UK immigration laws are too cumbersome.
And complex it's difficult. Say cry na make say cry no ma try say or more
what turn down kakra.
Because a day we not bia and we complain about it. And na name na make say or we dey die nkophobia or mo hwehwe ma or mo yes afi. Ye be chiche mu a ye be bibi eligibility, suitability and the outcome. In term no na ma say I a bit above from
kakra.
Because gone are the days nenye obitimi afabi wo ha no afabi wo ha no afabi wo na
is won nim say see your strategy na da bia obiti all the application to be a benefit.
That's it.
Right.
Yo inti emra ye discussion no
okay.
First age no ye hu from akola ya wo na we less than 18 wo krom ha no mo. And no obetimi make application on the basis of the private life no we 7 years wa. And enye akola pa ya wo no krom ha. Because when I'm say me ma etie for ya we. Obi so a bi a ne maame ne papa omoba kroma for visit and as omba be sere busua bi ne na da na omde omoba ne kan ho as a dependent. Na visa e de mom no atwam but omabo modin a tena krom ha no ma amakola na di say watena kroma 7 years no. So in this case no akola no betimi make application as well.
So 7 years kroya ye kan. Enye chinchina chin but omo betimi de amount say ye dwene ho say akwala no atena for that long.
Yes. And yes say e was say ye wo ha.
Okay.
Because ye wo ha na wa u parents omo ni bia. Obetimi atena ha 7 years aye sa private life 7 year in application. But a situation ya wo ha na parents will be definitely u parents beje
and captain and you bench pass money and
and e biomu so no na America no ye de akola ba krom ha no na akola no sebe we di 15 years na watena krom 7 years obetimi and so I make application. It is say ya share akola from 0 to 18. Yes, I share from 18 to 24.
Adding 18 to 24.
Yo, once I make actual say Home Office a year, so I say, you know, MA who say or the age and residence, and they make it analysis.
Analysis.
Into share or more paragraph 276 AD now. I talking about long residence now. And no, say these age groups, you know, would me fall within any of them to show say, oh, sir, tibia no more. Yebema wa ubetimi make application on the basis of your private life. Inti yaka 0 to 18, 18 to 24, 18 to 24. No mo say I was say which say half of your age, you know. What spending in Wokroma?
So 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
Inti 24 ne saying 24 years. When you 24 until say
24 years, let's just say 12.
Yes.
Say no, bro 7 no.
Say 7 ne dey wo. No criteria wo.
Okay.
And when you age, you know, from 18 to 24. Now to me say half of your age, you know, what na krom ha. Into half of your age, you fancy over 24. Half of your age in be say 12.
12.
Nti yɛmfa sɛ wabɛtena kroma 12 years ɛna sɛ sɛ wadi 24 mmara ne sɛ wobɛtumi amake application on the basis of your private life.
Like, I remember yɛmfa to say na menim.
Okay.
Me wa akwada bi a me de no me wo no ha or me de ne buy na bi o wo be 2-3 years.
Yeah.
yɛatena 7 years na menim nti maanya application.
Good.
Etwemwa mahola na nyabe 12 years.
Yeah.
5 extra years. Afei na BWF solicitors madarima mama hu no senior situation is it here nti me koya application. Emu de ahe ne de behwe akwala na de no half of the years no anasa 7 years nti obetumi a private life application.
Yo the tie ne say yemfa no age by age na na make no. Nti akwala no say what or 12 years say. Nti akwala no be fall within 0 to 18.
Okay.
No, man can't say strategy be na ma take it. Nti osha first 0 to 18 or fall within the 0 to 18. In this case, 12 years no wadi wokroma. But on another thought me pese me busa ye won wa ha na say yan won wa ha.
Mami fani me nyina.
Okay. Say ye won wa ha. Another strategy I may take is say, wadi 12 years me call for our private life as a lawyer no strategy I may to Johnny say was spending 10 years wa ya won wa nti ya 10-year application be obey no
and also a different application. Okay.
Ti me may no under registration as a British citizen ama kola no no abenya British citizen rather than say obeko sa 2.5 private life na 10 years answer. Nti bibia an application, every scenario is different, every case is different. That would determine, say, who as a lawyer, I will say, will take a strategy on or client in a case, they are two anymore.
Okay. And then that means saying a misabuse.
I mean, the last age, so far, mama two scenarios about the age,
0 to 18,
yes,
18 to 24.
And the last one is from 25 and above. To 25 and above. And they say we are going to be. Then you know, fall under paragraph 276A,
Okay.
And we think I'm me change him. Into from 25 upwards, and no, I will say which I say what na kroma 20 years. It shouldn't be unlawful in order for you to do that application I friend private life on the long resident application.
0 to 18.
That's it.
18 to 24. And 25 and above. 25 and above, and idea. Not just a watch, just what had 20 years unlawfully.
That's it.
Okay.
And 18 to 24, just say what na half of your life.
Lawfully and unlawfully, yeah.
And yes.
Okay.
And 0 to 18, what na 7 years.
And yeah, it comes to our question, say. Parents and then between apply to live in the UK after 7 years of residence.
Yo.
Answer
lawyer, you're much straighter.
Okay.
Because the entire maker said before say about arrival to the answer. Now we know mature mama when you answer that.
Answer that. Okay.
Yo, sir. Saati bia ba emfa na akola ne de no say 7 years and then I say 4. Inti akola ne de 7 years. Or apply or as the parent, but parent emfa the lone parent and the two parents. Let's start with the lone parent. It is a lone parent uno wa sha akola ya for first 7 years. So akola ne make application na ube to me also make application on the basis of akola private life ne. Because case law amanya inti CSA before say work la no be make application there are things I will say will meet.
Okay.
Inti or more sessions of the Immigration Nationality Immigration and Asylum Act 2002 session 117D1 talks about who is a qualifying child.
Okay.
Inti a qualifying child na session 117D1 amayati as say qualifying child ni ye akola either or ye British and now say we akola with this 7 years continuous ewokroma.
Okay.
In this case me to me bucheche mu a the wama manya anti ase ni say the parent omu nibi obviously so we depending on a qualifying child be ya akola what na 7 years continuous.
Nti akwala na application enye parent no parent no de no ko bata akwala no na when your advantage be free mu.
Yes, the entire make us and say a cow parent in Quandia because
can't qualify.
Won't qualify.
Okay.
But Akolano, one say Oyakola, into Akolano case laws, and my who say Akolano Quania de mana, one a besha Akolano. See, obviously, I was say my male papa no canon.
Okay.
No share Akolano. Inti is centered on the child rather. Not even who the parents now, because it could happen. The parents no body are wedding or criminality in a for no.
It came from mom.
It came from mom. But Imran say no. Yen share Akolano. Say the Benson so never Akolano so. Say I'm farmer now. And I say yeah the Makolani pet near farmer or mammy and now papa now. No quabi to me at na.
Omuntimi nka say okay akwala no your children social services nti say wo papa no na mama na ye ka say jan ho ne ko because wo won qualify but akwala no de because of the private life nti ye be gina ma aban ahwe no can they say that
Yo answer na aban ebeba wo we say wa me deviate kakra Our family matter.
Obi baby sir. I'm just reading the mind.
No, that's all right. Yeah. So, share your no family matter. These kind of arrangements taking care of a child in Asifwa. So, omu ye bibia. So, yemra the foster parents application ebia mama because before say aban beje no it was aban make application
to the court. Yeah.
That's it. Inti so I don't know. First in court be busa na kola ne parent we him. Answer me na anyway. Oh papa ma me ne papa o munye nti age o ma free. Fine, and wo betimi aye. But you need to give a strong argument about the government. Okay. Yes.
And no credit and can you likely.
Yes.
And no credit. Okay. Lawyer, in fun say long residence. Akwala no qualify. Criteria or modi atutu akwala no qualify. Is it a given say parent no a yes application a be successful? And now say home office private life application no a discretion.
When it comes to the private life application, and I work on it's good to say already the word discretion. But in some way, human rights plays a part in it. Article 8. So we are see our way, and I say UK because UK is incorporated into the human rights. Say UK for human rights. Etum. Into on that basis, so be your application now human rights be a woman. I was say chinchina ya demano. So maybe I'm free. In this case, say parents, over now parents, are entitled to family life now because be denied now. That means UK mobu mumraso. Let alone akolana section 55 of the UK Border Act say any decision be a home office making, they should take the best interest of the child. The best interest of the child, they say, it would deny akolane father and our mother.
Okay.
Father or motherly love. In this case, you are not taking the best interest of the child at stake.
Okay.
Who case worker, who decision maker, who make it sad way I will say who make it sure say, inti say akolane mami and papa we di boni say dey and two person catch they say akolano. Mama no yemfa na papa no yemfa ma no na yemfa ma akola ne pe no nko ankotina.
You say no son what break your family.
That's it.
Okay.
You've not taken the best interest section 55 of the UK Border Act into consideration. Let alone article 8 okay say we don't say team say me a part of it.
I was here say I feel no joining yeah live with lawyer Francis Osubusupim our BWF solicitors associate. Now we're buying ama yehunu. And a question I dey atudwano the ebisa and say obi abofra atna ekro yimu anaso mayimu for 7 years na ne private life no were established na ofo ebetimi ene no aye application ama aye ana eno ena o chechre ye mu no na wasan kra nso bibi na ni so bibiri e dey amaye achre say mebisa bibi to say long residence wachre mu 0 to 7 0 to 18. 18 to 24 and 25 at the econo or church situations no and scenarios near acquire obitimi afaso at the application and check maybe a line na and yeah mau update EU family permit and a fee year 7-year private life application no assemble question no meji 0208 123 1016 which me a free 0208 123 1016 and also over text 07950 422 780 07950 422 780. Remember, I said BWF Solicitors number is 0208 493 7340. Ubet me eja o question no comment no ewo in comment section ewo YouTube BWF Solicitors and also Facebook Live BWF Solicitors. Now answer na me call lines no so and answer me pick more comments no here and there no maybe sa question we the chat me media nachi na me say wo dey ebebreye mo here from Ghana, from the US and from Europe, from wherever in the world ni mamu nyina akwaba na yadamase say mo kan ho lawyer mami emi say we application na eden en na wunya me share question no from this angle say oh say application bi how ya mo chere mo say udi 5 years or so atiminya
yeah.
Okay kola no udi 7 years into 5 no kra nko abroso
Yeah.
Into say we year private life application eden en yedema
Yo o share yemra no immigration rules yedi ye adwuma na every application be the outcome.
Okay.
Once in America, say Home Office eto mobile afedi o my immigration rules na ma isese ye lawyers yetimi kan e man ti ase ye adwuma de kire your client and say eligibility, suitability, outcome.
Okay.
And even dependency. So dependent become when they come say nebe. So the old question will be saying say what is the outcome of the private life application? In the outcome, they say we yes our application now meet eligibility, suitability. Outcome, they say you do to private life route application, which you is going to start with 2.5, 120 months. So that means 10 years. And sana when your settlement. Into one said, na make us say, Akolaba, na me share age na. Say, he say, was a media registration as a British citizen. May no better than say, maybe a day or 2.5, 120 months. That's our better.
Strategy be a symmetry.
Yes, Manemra.
No. No, makama. Mawo abofra ewo krom ha.
Yeah.
Me can be a train for me 20 years because me will how lawful.
Yeah.
Nyamiadum, me badanya 7 years. My private life application.
Yeah.
Oma consider omo de amame.
Yeah.
Okay. 3 years later, me bana di 10 years. Ayam say, yamame 2.5 a day. But 10 years no, me qualify for registration.
Yo, the TN say, sir, it's good say o pick these scenarios neighbor. Because obi was our city tibianu mu a no who say I was say me train not 10 years but now say me 2.5 no. These are the things who was our scenario no I was say we start thinking I go lawyer no mum take strategy be a beboa. Yo the work no esipa manka na meboa. Yenya bebre from our clients. Inti ye church or mumu say fine either ofu say 7 years o the BGB now they are here juma e they are supporting akola no and now say obetwen ama akola no we 10 years no why a registration as a British citizen provided say akola na no kroma.
Okay.
Because the entire can provided say
yeah we no kroma.
Because yes sir wo bedwin say na lawyer so ka chem say akola no fra bonten ba there be
Say I want to have the
Ultimate registration. Inti hono na pepe se me ma yetie for ya we. Inti wo no it's up to you and na be hu say because na ade ba ko a manfa nkan ho a abesi mitima e se me ma ya we ni say what a private life ne so a untimi switch
unya toso a
kwa
akosi 10 no okay
into wo parent no be da so a and say unlawful 20 year you know be da so a wo so obomodin twa 120 months no and sana wenya asitina febo being the indefinite or settlement
okay
into hono na ese we careful into na wo ye registration as a British citizen a year na fee no eno so ka ho bi into enye say application ipe we weigh the fee as well as a lawyer no maame no why ready say obetumi for the sa registration as a British citizen being 1012 for akolana na ofu say obetumi odite na na e wo no ha ye betumi aye sa changes no tina no say in this case no ya ma akolana application no instead of the private life no ya ye BBF registration as a British citizen. In this case, no about Bekuta British assetna under Section 1(4) of the British Nationality Act.
So, I feel no joining here may come for a day amount, say, Bomodian, say, only ebedi Asia, a war in lines, no so, 0208-123-1016, 0208-123-1016, or texts any or comments, no. My Fabibre your Facebook page and also NNT me baby ye and no a day abroad. Na answer no me won cram you know ha maybe say medical de amount 30th of June and na bano na hifo and a boss amani.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specializing in a range of legal services, including family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary and family law. At BWF, our solicitors are pleased to offer high-quality legal representation at competitive rates. Our senior partner, Bernardo Wusu, has over 29 years' experience as a lawyer in the UK. BWF solicitors provide independent and practical legal assistance for all kinds of family matters, such as childcare, contested and uncontested divorce, and injunctions for domestic violence. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you in this difficult time, which is why we offer confidential advice delivered in a sensitive manner. Our senior partner is an accredited member of the Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel, which guarantees expert representation in all family and matrimonial cases. We are located at 4th floor Anna House, 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road, London, N15 4NP. Just a short walk from Seven Sisters Underground.
Wonim say EU nationals nyina ne won ebusuafo a wonye EU nationals nyina o se wo apply ma EUSS ansa June busome akona wieye afi 2021 yi mu se wanya ebe ha won kratasem a wode ti UK se wontu anamon we na wo apply EU settlement scheme and train last minute ansa ehun hia yie pa se obebotumi a wode tena UK no ho ban na wo hia legal advice bi anso a pebi we koma EU ana EA amanfo nyina wokra registration certificate ana permanent registration certificate ana ebusuafo ayama won resident card ana permanent residence cards a ewo EA registration 2016 no mu se wonya ye we nyina na se wo sefata apply pre-settled ana settled status answer 30th June 2021 EU settlement scheme pre-settled status eba na wieye ewo 30th June 2021 na mum ehun me hia yie se obe apply no ntem na edwe gine yie na hye so se we koma omo wo UK ansa 31st December 2020 a wo kura won krata esefata nyina edi won adanse se we bi immigration mrei so na wunni adanse die bia eche mretenti a watena UK se ana EU nationals no nso a ɛno nso betumi aha wo daakye sɛ wo apply wo British citizenship. BWF solicitors ɛwɔ nimdeɛ fa UK immigration law ho. Na ɔmo aboa ebusuafo bebree wɔ applications a ɛfa Home Office's EU settlement schemes no ho. Wonti bibiri ase a frɛ BWF solicitors ntempara ɛwɔ 020 849 37340 ana 077 127 61884.
Yeah, we see you're saying Ababio, maybe call comments no so 0208-123-1016 and now say over text 07950422780. Yaupoku say Yaupoku from Colchester, Idasipi, Yame Inshaw, so joining Rose from Accra, very informative. Thank you very much. Red thorny flowers. Yes, sure, so ton flowers or Accra. Maybe I'm a dofo or Accra. Maybe wedding afro. Tiana, all my details. Najimai say Abena Mercedes. Najimai, Abena Mercedes no why. Abena, you were the name who senior is seated. Your question be na. Fortunately, lawyer Charles Asma but I'll still put it out. What about if your appeal is still pending and you are still in Ghana? Lawyer Francis No Obisa. Appeal is in the hands of the court and will continue as usual in hearing and judgment. Once allowed, the Secretary of State will be advised to issue the permit. Lawyer Charles Asma and a day no Abba. We say. What about if you enter after 30th of June?
Also na ye come wasem they say so mama permit no ye family permit na upese will enter after 30th of June. Airlines bebre are not going to allow you to do that. Okay. Because airlines no one you might be able to check it or valid base and then as if for better media. And then they can say so what's our TB anymore. Make sure say ube before 30th of June. Okay. Because the they say Home Office in so visa be after 30th of June. Otherwise, any under ye family permit.
Be a different one.
Yes. The name say mama ya when they say EU SS family permit. Provided say we sponsor no EU settlement scheme be.
Okay. Alexa say please, after 5 years separation, what are the process to be applied for divorce certificate? The cost and who's supposed to pay? The applicant or the recipient?
Who costs them?
Now who costs them?
Oh, yeah. Okay. You on the air call divorce proceedings for Sawari Jari. And separation is one of the reasons I'll be to media ma for. Okay. Yeah. Into the TN say, wo applicant and the respondent no. Why na de adeneko? The other adeneko court no the applicant. And the all the allegation attorney so the respondent. In this case no, wow would the adeneko no na obe. Oh na na boss aka no. That's it. And I biomo so no the woman say, bia na bibia adwapade ne na se for enim. Adwapade ne woman and the year kofa
problems and all
that's it. That's right. For litigation, money as if you're a banner. A whole lot of ancillary relief in Nasifo. And I say Kolawuma. Inti for now no opeso who say court fee near saying as far as you are aware no and then they are minimum court fee near 550.
550.
That's it. What the be file it. No my grounds are would age now so edge. But what may I aware about the grounds when they say separation for 5 years.
As I say, divorce, I be the main famous question. Divorce, at the same, I'm saying maybe no more because I say, online be.
Yes, as I say, be echo online because now I idea na family court I working on it hardly since last year, and I am other Roma aboa inti uye divorce na be online. Why?
Okay. You were ofofro adia ha. Dr. Sadum, good evening, Lawyer Francis Brako, good evening, Adasipi. In your Yeron Nima, UK immigration laws are cumbersome. Now he continues to say, I am British and my kids are in Ghana, but it's difficult for me to bring them here because of money involved. If you're British and you have children in Ghana, I don't know, I was a Sikasembe Brewemo.
I don't know. He needs to seek a legal advice. Be a overseas passport application at home.
Okay. Because right the last week question, similar question about
right of abode, depending on the situation. Indeed, the best year I make my don't seek legal advice. So for some money involved. Maybe but one may I aware so you're British. In this case, there are so many options. I'll bet to me actually. Now I didn't call an but it would depend on the age of the child. Why? And it would depend. Say Tama when you're the British, near Wunkolana and answer near one. There are so many digestions. I would say you're digesting. Say this is the right application because ABO he's thinking about under paragraph 297. 297 being the sole parental responsibility. ABO and also now junior. I'll first say the money involved because I would say we home office fee. I could less than 18 own tier way IHS. And now say or drink say lawyer fee and home office fee and a bebono a bemana I think is too high.
Okay. Well, so many are the buy you can contact BWF Solicitor 0208 493 7340. Yaron Nima, I think is the same person. Whereas in other countries, the kids will automatically become British citizens, even though the kids are not born in the UK. I'm saying lawyer Achirmo, the scenario the time when you have British citizenship na wawon kwadano na say na yenwo omo okay, mami misa so na yenwo omo time when you no wawon kwadano dada. What do they get?
Tama unyaya no wa wunkola ne dada and depending on the age of the nkola no ubet me make application. Yeah, and I don't know say at that time also no now that's so worry nkola ne mami a.
Okay.
Inti hono on say because say we need to digest all this information because e be a ma opportunity say before so and so data akola no na worry o mami a obetimi make application na wa worry o mami a this is the different scenario I was offer so why
okay.
Yeah.
All right Alex say thanks to Reku, but I thought after 5 years of separation it's free to apply for divorce.
Provided say want to mean chere maybe anipa ne wa but all the same no the court once a court sika there open divorce a free court. Why are you expecting the court to give a year? Provided say would benefit be a friend of fee which may apply for fee remission. Into that fee remission no a bit me who say who qualify for it and they won't do a court fee. Why?
Okay. Me share. I think there's a voice note here. Let's see if
hello
we can pick
lawyer, good afternoon. Me pacho menya me hokeni na last year 2019 mineno ewari oye uni but yenya ankofo mama anko witnessing my marriage na afansa yenya ankofo akọ witnessing na ya intino mesro oye ya aware na wie before last year December no me pacho say the kotum sisi a advisable say be yana sa na say and as a time not train because when some say before June this year no na I late but na me bisa say me pacho sisi a yenya bibia 90 ye di kotum sisi a advisable say be yana me da say
so or the be so as an additional information maybe about say or so clear because why confused kakra. Customary marriage, omo a year Ghana, and omo your application be or registration in the UK yet. Now, omo person almost started our process, and is it possible? Nikruna is based in Europe, but he's in London at the moment. For them to start the process, is it possible to start now?
Yo, sir, a worry issue if say would the EU application. Still, no. opportunity ɛda so wɔ hɔ no mu.
Okay.
But ne nyinaa bɛgyina sponsor no. At that time of 31st of December no 2020 no way not Ikroma. Because these are the things ye busa. And after that no EU settlement scheme ni biana. Because once na year come was about update regarding EU family permit and EU SS family permit no.
Okay.
Home office amenya inti asiye say wo na wo kroma no before 31st of December 2020 no. Akwan ja wo home say opese o market application ekofa o family member fa oba or grandparents in as if but the only people are untimi any extended family. Inti ukoswa wo kroma ene ya no EU settlement scheme ni as if akwan ja wo ho say upese okofa o mukafo eba. Even after 30th June 2021 before that no ya ombembo de bema under EA family permit.
Okay.
But after 30th of June being the 1st of July 2021 we make application be fall under EU SS family permit.
Okay.
So that means it will be to me at any time but depending on time now or the tikroma and a time will make application.
Right. Lawyer, we so bisa or say worry EEA national. Okay. Na opese aware no otitini ho e free ho. We did 3 years. Yeah. Possible so obetumi a divorce.
Yo shema and I can my straight answer. If will be retention of right.
Okay.
And retention of right and under the EU settlement scheme and as a regulation 2016. The chair said we say our dimu 3 years. More worry for 3 years. And I only panatna cohabitation for 1 year. Into these requirements, no to meet BBNC can say ube make application on the basis what retain your right. But first, there was a chair documents be been saying divorce certificate my say Ghana there na mo je awarijare ni I say nya certificate of divorce and a divorce certificate. And I say UK there ha na mo ye awarijare na I say nya BBA friend no degree absolute. Now they come home and make application. No actually say when not now for 3 years and sana mo jai.
Okay.
Yeah. Into ultimate years I had na ube to me accord for retention of right. On the basis mawari na 3 years and anani not now for 1 year. So on that basis at that time now mawari up to now say in bro 5 years ubenya bibi a friend under the new settlement scheme if we be pre-settled status. Say the 5 years na fe na pese uja wari na moya ubeko for settled status application. Yeah.
Kojo Hansen say thanks. Kojo yansu ya da CP. Yewo Kofi Odame o my high five nyame inshaw. Make I will say ye live ewo Abawa radio so ewo UK ha. So hansu ye live ewo BWF Solicitors Facebook page and BWF Solicitors YouTube page. Enti ubetimi ako leave your comments at on both pages the comment section. Na ebepeke. Na ubetimi nso afreying ewo 0208 1231016 0208-123-1016. We ebisa question we waha or say our ijaya no monde ababebre sa. Mene me try some translate. Mene me hokani aye ejapade ewo kromo ha. Na ye ejapade no ewie ya no bema no epese osisime. Me wa mofra miensa me de baako eba aware ena yawo mienu nkwala no miensa no metimi agina omo so aka se mintu emfifie ho because be man is simiana
yo as I said now can you shift it to the family matter. Yeah, nkwala ages near saying that's the first question and can medical abusa because nkwala wo aware mu a ya amra no BB said the best interest of the child is always a more priority.
Okay.
And so no man make any decision be affected. nkola and I say parents into what they normally they look at it and they say also make sure say nkola no say wo be man wo tu nkola na fifio en fa na nkola no koda omo mama me ne so say but akola no say hia say akola no omo kafio a wo be man no mom wo betu mra no be ma yetu wo mom na nkola no so omo ya under age 18 na omo mom ebetina no mo ne omo carer being the mother stay there to say omo do legal age being the 18 so make me find their feet. These are the things I was here share na ye bibi say ye make any decision be afa wari jare na nkola wo ma alongside nkola no so no property a woman no fine una oboa papa no man munya property and na say oba no one property dada because your friend be prenuptial agreement.
Okay.
No ne say me ba ye ba enter into our no na me property any ti our jare ba ye mfa nka ho say a property a me ne wo mienu ne nya ye agreement a woni oba ne be no nti in a nutshell no the mechanic say it depends on and as I say of say unya quiet in understanding wala ko hu lawyer ne entrance ne ne that's it. Near nkola ni age ni nhwe the sort of property ni na for a bit me a fight ama wo ba no side why
kai say yeah discuss say a private life application kola wenya 7 years ewo UK ha wo question wo ho abetime dey aba between 0208 123 1016 and I will send the text 07950422 and answer will call your Facebook page and so BWF Solicitors now we leave will comment on under the video and answer will call YouTube page now or like a page and now so will leave a comment not there. You were God lover somewhat. My partner and I are in the UK. Is it possible to do a divorce in Ghana?
So our question is where na mabusa so person you divorce or Ghana. Divorce in Ghana no more criteria. Either one of them a Ghanaian, but one may the partner or a Ghanaian or a uni and answer him. The first scenario they are more a court in the Bahrain say Nipana Ujai Awareno, ne nationality a day.
Okay.
And an habitual residence. Because when we talk about the habitual residence, divorce, a play part, and I say consider that part of it. Inti obiansi ukwan so I Ghana near na say a year obetime I divorce in Ghana.
Okay.
Hanso obetime.
Okay. 0208123116. You will be a woman so Timoyan Konafe Yanko Tieno. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. It's saying.
But you will have me woman banner Ghana. And my baby me try I make a fun in Bawam my 3 times I need to say university. Now next year I'm pursue about holiday. We did 20 year.
So this is 20.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dear me bacho wo krata be na okutawa.
No, see a wonder.
British passport, yeah,
okay.
One say, na me explain and na me can say, although you no, it depends on that time of the application, it 2 more, and now Colano say, make here, see a refusal 3 times, You share, I think the last week, Moka once sole parental responsibility, sole responsibility. So, no only the other fall under sole responsibility under paragraph 297. Of the immigration rules, So who make such application? A dear Bakwa Home Office expecting you to show and say, who parental control so. In this application way no so when ya obia lawyer onim de all ya sebi. Here obey as long as obey no Home Office omuntia say no mo the decision amount. Inti yemra obey dia usisi say what this 20. In this case, untimi nye application on the basis of sole parental responsibility. I would say less than 18. Into the next stage now, we apply for visit visa manner. As long as we show say okuta genuine intention say or bar or back. But because my year application I refuse na the adenya no. So once you send your money here address all these things Home Office better come back say now immigration crowd history nature say what try 3 times crowd no yam farmer. Debe ntine amfama. So on that basis, no, on bet to me so as I refuse you. See what I can say is it's best say when the lawyer be arranging Martina say. So open so find about on the basis of visit visa now. Why or him?
Now, but mommy answer na be our economy. If we answer question so. Say nyame adom na oji visit visa no de be remo. Obetimi a regularize amane bana ba be come because what tries to be proven send the ban on Home Office name person be jato.
The issue then is your name raising our Home Office they refuse you here. Because so responsibility question application relationship 1 and a parental control it wouldn't be say it's just only the relationship. It be our passing relationship Oh, okay. One more my away send it back. Maybe a year mommy ye DNA crown or the car. In this case, in relationship we need problem with it. But sir dependency, sir parental control no, and it be a honor problem need be free no. Until we say a finding out new decision ben or make it yeah. Why?
Mommy, if you don't mind, obey me I may have decision crom them out.
Okay. Initially, I was just inviting her to come on holidays because my person in school made disrupting in school.
Okay.
And her life in Ghana. I think I said the Ghana, honestly. But my idea was for her to be coming on holidays, so by holidays application and now more refuse.
Or more refuse.
Oh, okay. So our holiday application, is at the discretion of the Home Office to make sure say either yedebema na emfama. Unless human rights activity be uma and no you can appeal against that visit visa application. Because I no make sure say you refuse visit visa untimi appeal. But any hobium to say first na nanka interview no who team asem no. Until they say the people na done anim no and a word so e dey make a decision. And I'm making you can't visit visa application. So one send one send ding, and I said when to me and chen you may be a chess at least Ukran Hana Obano and just a Hana the Baba you fee. A been saying Akolana was your co school. No, I don't know so the school letter can
Yeah, that time not the school letter can.
Okay, but another time you know what year bang?
No 14.
There be mean kind of age, but not school now or na year ben and all.
Form 2.
Form 2. And not the course no be here for how long?
Mommy cannot think that. Maybe I feel that part of the story, no. But the story.
The entire me busa wage na and say, so who yes such application me be na say ya mo de man. Before then no I mo refuse na so many times. But me no argument I me dey beto ho no as a lawyer no. Here na different.
Of course.
Because the entire America no say akola e 4-year course. Now our year 2 or we're trying the 2nd year or call the 3rd year. Me argument I me dey beto Home Office make am say want me join the school no metena buchira.
Of course. Yeah.
These are the arguments I will be put in place for Home Office. Say, oh yeah, cover letter, and I say, oh yeah, BBR, I was a chair, was explaining why I was here, the man.
And lawyer, why a very good girl, Ghana. I'm so proud of her. Now next year, I want her to come on holiday at least.
Yeah, yeah, sure. What the man lawyer? Or better, no, I had the situation. I saw it in out amount. Why?
Yeah, Miss Frona, yeah.
But then come in my invitation, but what for RDNT?
But I say,
we say come in my invitation to BWF, but what for invitation into no.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. I mean, inshallah. Thank you for your time. Abusiafo also bet me after 0208-123-1016. 0208-123-1016. Vicky Newton says, very nice program. Thank you very much, Vicky. When him said, I mean, at the end, people were pushing say on BWF rather than the radio. But I was saying, Sabi, questions are Obisano would have helped somebody to understand the situation. No senior on so betimi aman and who Vicky, thank you very much. You say it's a nice program. Now, young call Nero hits Nero. I hope so. I don't know. Or say, hello, lawyer. My application got approval under the EU settlement scheme in March, but still haven't got any decision. Please, is that normal or there's cause to worry?
So, of course, in your approval and a decision, that's where I'm a bit confused. Because approval, obviously, that means a amount. Okay. But also, I got a decision. A year. Let's talk about EU application. It's also making EU settlement application. Depending on how many years what the Wokroma, either EU national or spouse or family member or dependent. In this all this application need to what they are motion is almost adm or residency Wokroma and our identity in the for. Inti yam fan is we EU national. Who make his application now? When I say I'm going for either pre-settled, that means I maintain have more than 5 years. And now say I'm going for settled, that means I maintain for 5 years. Okay. Into when I say omo etre, and I say, catch up, say application we na me. Into on that basis, who make your application now? Even before some make a decision, on say, who qualify for pre-settled and now say who qualify for settled status. In the pre-settled, you say when the 5 years will come. Okay. But settled nature say what the 5 years will come. Into the year Home Office to more running through and they say more use HM Her Majesty's Revenue Services, and they running checks, say at least what buy in the form of say what you are and they will tax. Into these things, and the mom who say, Ukraine record and I say database they check here and say, what now more than 5 years? Into in that cases, you be mau bibia your friend or settled status and I say indefinite leave to remain. Into your question, or may because we have application now, the moment obey application, we EU near, you don't need say obakobo insano. But we a family member, a ho okobo insano, you should be a friend. Certificate of application, COA. And now we EU near because I won't cobble no. So we check your documents, we check your BBI, okay. We issue certificate of application, COA. Okay. Until as time goes on, culture say, we issue normal culture say within a short time, no, we the decision the better also. Until woman who say that decision number, say you issue, and I say you grant to. Pre-settled status, provided say win the 5 years. 5 years. And now say your mouth settled status. That means say what the 5 years Oh, okay. All right. You were Lauren, Miss Papeku. I say BWF solicitors, Senkmenshia. Shramopa. Yeah, my application, man. Okay. A long residence in Libya. Oh, okay. Yeah. Empire also will be your tight. Regina Andam. Regina says very educational program. Thank you very much. Mami call line also nafi. Minfa nipo also nafi. Yemfa and komono and also hello. Good evening. Good evening. Bacho mani so kakramami.
Application EU settlement scheme now. Now, me and the first one, which was last 2 years, now me 5 years. Me apply for pre-settled. And see, a friend I 5 years. Me apply, and I'm checking NI. No, I'm say you're correct because me qualify for settled status. But they are asking for evidence of relation because me a EU family member. And me couldn't Dutch. Intimate evidence of relation or marriage certificate, is it enough?
Me pacho, why your question?
Me pacho why?
Your marriage certificate is enough for evidence of relationship, no? Why?
Me pacho you. Me pacho me that's the
Yo.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye. 020812311016. And I say we send the text 07950422780. Lauren, I said I will pa. No, yes, you're veggie pa. Thank you.
Reply.
Okay, Rosemary, say good evening. Please, my husband is in Ghana. We have applied for a settlement visa. UKVI requested additional information within 10 days, which we submitted on the 4th. Please, I want to know if we stand a chance of getting the visa, and when are we likely to hear from them after we submitted the documents? You say within 10 days, Fabra, it 4 days, no, the documents not acquired. How much chance do they say?
Yo, the chances are your friend will be evidential flexibility. A part of UK immigration rules. You know. So, case worker, case now, of course, say, I did be or na when we sat not the refusal. Ubet me I appeal, Emma. At least ube to me the home office at train home and so.
Okay.
But sa case worker no, I was say we used to say evidential flexibility no. A requested for that information now, of say like no for 10 working days. Inti say o provided and then the 4th working day now. What I would like to say is say on come back to or making application no, almost send they will say, okay. Yensa ka application no wako submit bibia inti obeti enka 12 weeks. But after 12 weeks you feel say 12 weeks you know na yenwie ya ye betro update you. Sa letter no yes application now mo de bound. Inti call back to na hwe say wabusa for additional evidence you know. Sa omo letter omo de ba first you know che say are they within the 12 weeks of making a decision? If say within the 12 weeks, and I say and soon I will say we need for that.
Okay.
Say above that, Uber to me, and so actually say they should give you an update of the application.
Updating will be in the form say be a near decision.
That's
or
it.
You refuse.
You refuse. Once I make out say so more 12 days now. 12 weeks now. Omo catch you say you be omo ntimi make a decision within 12 weeks now. You bet roll. Into update now we say no say omo what's the application, the update of the application. Say are they ready to make a decision or it needs further time to do that?
Rosemary had the further information about or say yes the 12 weeks is due.
Fine. Inti thank God o email mo de busa for additional document. Tromo ne busa mo say omo ka say 12 weeks no. Inti open update of the application.
Okay. Ezekiel Johnson, thank you very much for your compliment. If you want lawyers with vim, swag and excellence, oh yeah, Ramra, go and see BWF Solicitors. Yes. Ezekiel, me know you are doing 150% in the sense it says ebano updates, ebano strategy, any idea, application, especially immigration applications, any na BWF Solicitors, and may come for a day. Amount BWF Solicitors, 214-218, Tottenham High Road, Russell, Seven Sisters, North London. Omoyejma 9:30 to 6 o'clock Monday to Friday. Fairwam 0208 493 7340. Anase 077 127 61884. Aseda any testimonials no call BWF Solicitors Facebook page, YouTube and Instagram any idea. You will see say updates no na say customer reviews no be brave na yeah ebenifo the about 2 pages no ma hu the amount for etimi enya a free BWF Solicitors. Say omo ka chro nkofo eya oni amani omo akomu anyame adom omo ede won nim die won su ehunu any strategies agi won every situations no mu a now forget about distance, forget about cost, forget about anything. And the BWF Solicitors, any and come BWF Solicitors, 0208 493 7340 and answer 077 127 61884.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specializing in a range of legal services, including family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary and family law. At BWF, our solicitors are pleased to offer high-quality legal representation at competitive rates. Our senior partner, Bernardo Wusu, has over 29 years' experience as a lawyer in the UK. BWF solicitors provide independent and practical legal assistance for all kinds of family matters, such as childcare, contested and uncontested divorce, and injunctions for domestic violence. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you in this difficult time, which is why we offer confidential advice delivered in a sensitive manner. Our senior partner is an accredited member of the Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel, which guarantees expert representation in all family and matrimonial cases. We are located at 4th floor Anna House, 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road, London, N15 4NP. Just a short walk from Seven Sisters Underground.
BWF solicitors and cry and Amade Ebro. Lord Francis, Mami encore Minia Rosemary. Say the case is complex kakra, and fortunately, or the further information Ebre and Sebia answers never clearer for people who might find themselves in similar situation, or say they have sent an email saying the application cannot be concluded as it hasn't been straightforward. This was sent 3 days after we got the email requesting the additional information.
Yes. Yeah, normal letters say because we say na make culture say omo committee omo say 12 weeks to make a decision. And omo bisa for further documents. And as I say, Omasa Atro Abba Amaya Ya where say it's rather unfortunate say 12 weeks no mukano omuntimi and complete with that 12 weeks. Until this time no omo accept for be a friend extension of time say omo be call further, but in due course no be get it back to. Yeah.
Okay. Yenya Bako, we have one from Edward Dongole Dongoyo. Good day, BWF. Please, under the appendix FM partner application, how many years of health surcharge is an applicant who is applying from Ghana requested to pay? Please, would it be for 3 years and or 2.5 years?
For the benefit of a TA4 now, I don't know, say make a year because it seems the name.
We can go.
Okay. Yeah. When it comes to Appendix FM application, and you are applying as a spousal visa to enter into the UK, the immigration health surcharge you have to pay is depending on the number of depending on the leave they're going to give it to you. So if they're going to give 30 months leave, this is whereby you pay for it. So when we look at a yearly immigration health surcharge, it is 624. So the 624, if they're going to give you 30 months, you have to multiply the 624 to the 30 months. In this scenario, that will be 1,560. So for the immigration health surcharge regarding spousal visa, as he has made mention of under the Appendix FM, he is going to pay 1,560 if he is being issued 30 months visa to come to UK.
Lawyer Francis also Bosomtrim and Mote Nenkano. Mibacho 30th of June eba. And I'm so concerned and worried about that. This afternoon I read out something and Lawyer Francis was gracious enough to explain that situation to us. Messiah Bosso, EU family permit. se ukuta bia, does it expire after 30th of June? On the website of the Home Office, it's saying that it will not be fit for travel. How correct and true is that? What do we need to do? I'll be coming back to that, but Mr. Mekai will be TWA.
Wonim say EU nationals nyina ne won ebusuafo a wonye EU nationals nyina or say wo apply ma EUSS answer June busome akona wieye afi 2021 mu. Se wanya ebe ha won krata sem a wo de ti UK. Se won to anamon we na wo apply EU settlement scheme entwen last minute answer. Ehun hia yie pa se wo bepotumi a wo de tena UK no ho ban. Na wo hia legal advice bi anso a pebi we koma EU ana EA amanfo nyina wo kra registration certificate ana permanent registration certificate ana ebusuafo ayama won resident cards ana permanent residence cards a ewo EA registration 2016 no mu se wonya ye we nyina na se wo sefata apply pre-settled ana settled status answer 30th June 2021 EU settlement scheme pre-settled status eba na wieye ewo 30th June 2021 na mum ehun me hia yie se obe apply no ntem na edwe gine yie na hye so se we koma omo wo UK answer 31st December 2020 a wo kura won krata esefata nyina edi won adanse se wendi immigration mrei so na wunni adansidie bia eche mretenti a watena UK se ana EU nationals no nso a eno so betimi ahawodaache se wo apply wo British citizenship. BWF solicitors ewo nimdie fa UK immigration law na omo aboa ebusuafo bebre wo applications a efa Home Office's EU settlement schemes no ho. Wonti bebre asia for BWF solicitors in Tempara ewo 020-849-37340 ana 077-127-61884.
BWF solicitors and Obayemi Ade Ebro 0208-493-7340 and also 077-127-61884. Ezekiel Onuba, I've taken your concern. I'll say we need one special legal hour session, the Ga community. You speak Ga, yes, I know. We share that program or the share a year Ga language, you know. Uncle Ben, BWF solicitors, are very proficient in the Ga language. And you know, we can do the arrangement. Nama Yeti, and so are very proficient in the Ga language. She even has a program on GN Radio every Sunday between 2 and 4 p.m. at UKH. So get in touch, we'll do that arrangement. But if your organization, you are a church, you are a union, an association, now more 20 members and above, just get in touch with BWF solicitors. We'll do the arrangement, publicize it for you, and we'll do the arrangement and give you the education as well. 0208-493-7340. Last week, Uncle Ben Eboy Amanye, they visit members in the community as well. I say pastoral duty, and but when they answer, we get in touch with BWF solicitors. Omo and seven juicy can your cases in Kwa, they are concerned about your welfare as well. That is the difference. And that is why they are trusted partners when it comes to the law in the community. 0208-493-7340. We have had a comment from the office to support, say, Rosemary, don't worry, you should receive the decision very soon, as Lawyer Francis reiterated. Lawyer Francis, my main insight, wow, my quiz never drew, but quick one, Bonitofa and Mammy said, so I concern now me easy earlier on, no? EU family permit.
Yankano Yapotoka Semana say.
No, you said no the why summary. No, me read. Me person me science subio. Sabe You baby you won't send a course no sign amba. Me pacho. EU family permit after 30th of June. Ni nyina so we.
Yo, yeah, share na saying the home office amayenya intiasia. Ya na omo edimraba and answer omo update omo website, you know, all the time in terms of immigration issues. And yeah, so no as a lawyer no tembia ye koho eko share say the beboa ye community no near the aba near pensim. The omo de buy from April eko ne say almost say we year application under year family permit who kofa omuka for oba nenase for every Ghana apart from extended family. The tier ne say I was say obedu krom ha before 30th of June 2021. Say when yana visa na watching so na wayana agency obetu ebia Ghana from 1st of July 2021 wo insinsa so emano in such a way say airlines no kra no entertain omo ma won through plane no say bra na wa ba bedru UK hanomo inti say we obi na wo sa tibia no mu a wadi kan ya ma yiye family permit say every April no mu na da so titu e bia sikasem ana say may train Kabe 22 and answer 22nd and answer 25th of June 2021. Na fa play na me ba fine, but ye nim play na sem said obey transit to na alcoka baby na went me and do UK ha 30th of June. And no wait me as because they be to be pay. When you back on the visa or train 2-3 days and no 2 kind of. And I play the quiet transit a car while delay.
Where's na wu?
O mama na nra UK ha. Epo 2 years I done any man koye. So inti dia me pese me ma etiefo ni say wo sa atibia nimu a ya ma yiye family permit. Na wo sa kan wo ti wo se me twen be 28th of June na ma fa play na me ba. So we try anya yiye na o play ni koye transit. Na ebedu UK from 1st of July 2021. Omo ma unrem.
Asemwe ya to.
Nti de tie ni say wo sa tibia ni mu a to ho anamon be remansa na 30th of June 2021. If you say from 1st of January from 1st of July 2021 ekono omo de ade e be replace EA family permit no eba EU SS family permit.
Okay. Abusia Mr. Sabri and me question no bro your time no aswan sir but Kwabena non-EU national oba UK ha in November 2020 on free Ghana and the EU national spouse no your man no settled and answer pre-settled status through the EU settlement scheme and one common EDD. Kwabena applied to UCAS for a university place in January 2021. Kwabena is worried that the changes to student finance from August 2021 may affect the eligibility for student finance and his entitlement for home fees status. So we observant kakrapa and some question. What does this mean for Kwabena's student support arrangement? 1. If Kwabena has EUSS pre-settled status, he will qualify for student finance because he is covered by the withdrawal agreement. Number 2, as Kwabena has not lived in the UK, Gibraltar, EEA, and Switzerland for at least the last 3 years before his course, he will not qualify for student finance. Kwabena will qualify for home fee status but not student finance. NLP Kwabena will qualify for both student finance and home fee status. Once as mana Emre, I'm saying time no is and answers good quickly na okay.
wonim say EU nationals nyina ne won ebusuafo a wonye EU nationals nyina o se wo apply ma EUSS ansa June busome akona wieye afi 2021 mu se wanya ebe ha won kratasem a wode ti UK se wontu anamon we na wo apply EU settlement scheme and train last minute ansa ehun hia yie pa se obebotumi a wode tena UK no ho ban na wo hia legal advice bi anso a pebi we koma EU ana EA amanfo nyina wokra registration certificate ana permanent registration certificate ana ebusuafo ayama won resident cards ana permanent residence cards a ewo EA registration 2016 no mu se wonya ye we nyina na se wo sefata apply pre-settled ana settled status answer 30th June 2021 EU settlement scheme pre-settled status eba na wieye ewo 30th June 2021 na mum ehun me hia yie se obe apply no ntem na edwe gine yie na hye no so se we koma omo wo UK answer 31st December 2020 a wo kura won krata esefata nyina edi won adanse se when be immigration mrei so na wunni adanse die bia eche mretenti a watena UK se ana EU nationals no nso a eno so betimi aha wo daache se wo apply wo British citizenship BWF solicitors ewo nimdie fa UK immigration law na omo aboa ebusuafo bebre wo applications a efa home offices EU settlement schemes no ho wonti bebre asia for BWF solicitors in Tempara ewo 020 849 37340 ana 077 127 61884.
Okay, I say about Mami and Kofa quiz response and Embraham say you're running out of time. And Uncle Francis, answer no ebe dear hinfa. Me no maybe some question no. Okay. Oh, David, me kululu. I say Kwabena national answer number 2. I say as Kwabena has not lived in the UK, Gibraltar, EA and Switzerland for at least the last 3 years before his course, he will not qualify for student finance. Initial as part of well, unfortunately, I'm saying lines on high and you be more at the SC Yame Aya Juma. You were saying at the Abramo same time next week, Mr. Mo, or the Monfa and James line of Aya, but your time across as soon answer. Yame ensure you were saying a schedule.
Yeah, Jesus, you're my everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah, oh, 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 oh. Everybody say, many things, all the many things you've done for me. Words are not enough, enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things, you've Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are